Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Flexi Hose with 8-function nozzle, an expandable garden hose that combines lightweight flexibility with no-kink convenience. This hose is designed to automatically expand to its full 100-foot length with standard water pressure and retracts to a compact size when the water is turned off, making storage a breeze. Equipped with solid 3/4-inch brass fittings, it ensures a reliable connection to typical outdoor garden taps in the US. The 375OD elastic outer fabric and double latex core provide robust protection against thorns, punctures, and sharp corners, ensuring durability for heavy-duty use. Tested to endure up to 2,000 uses, the Flexi Hose withstands water pressures up to 12 bars and temperatures ranging from 41 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. The included 8-pattern rotating spray nozzle, made from durable ABS plastic, features an ergonomic, slip-resistant rubberized handle for comfortable use. With the Flexi Hose, you get a perfect blend of strength, flexibility, and convenience for all your gardening needs. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.